My name is Tom Opio from Optech's technical support team. Today we are talking about Optech beam and beam towers. We have a range of beam sets available from dual beam to quad beam set. These beams are mounted about waist height across all zones we need to protect. For more protection, we use beam towers where we install up to 4 beam sets per tower. When the customer orders pre-built beam towers, the beam sensors are installed in the tower, tested and delivered to the customer ready for site deployment. We can supply the tower as per customer chosen configuration. First, we have the option of beam tower heights. We do 1 meter, 1.5 meters, 2 meters and 3 meter beam towers. Then we have the accessories, the cooling fan, heaters, anti-climb, tower cover tamper, mount brackets for ground or wall. This is an example of a pre-built tower. In this instance, we have 3 sensors in the tower and we have installed top tamper, cooling fan and heaters for each of the sensors. We also have the motherboard, which all come pre-configured and tested. So the customer gets the unit tested and then shipped with the cover already fitted. Crosstalk is when a beam is installed close to a reflective wall or surface. The transmitter signal is then able to be reflected by the wall. When a person walks across the beam, the reflection can still reach the receiver, causing misalign. With good optical alignment and walk test during installation, there will be no crosstalk problems. The sensors have alignment viewfinder with 2 times zoom. At 200 meters, it's easy to see the other beam sensor during alignment. For installation with many towers, we do have optional alignment tool the customer can use. The beam transmitter uses pulse modulation and the receiver will ignore signals without modulation. Also, the cover has filter that blocks UV and visible light and allows infrared. The battery life is between 3 to 5 years. Note that the heater cannot be used with battery power option. For sites where ambient temperature can go below 20 degrees, heater will be required. It is advisable to have hardwired power and heaters.